Hello, I think we're maybe live now. So, good evening, everyone. Welcome to our Kaylee once again. So, it's been a couple of weeks since we last were together. So, looking forward to this evening. And I've got a guest along with me, and that is my son Do. There he is there.
Hello.
Okay, so he's going to help me tonight, hopefully. And Kenneth, good evening. Agnes Fraser, Feskerma from there. Nice to see you all. And Darlene, looking forward to the Kaylee. Well, as I say, I've got a full program this evening. Hope I'm going to be able to get through it. I haven't been feeling 100% today, but I'm hoping that if things get really bad, I might have to call over to get Belan over to finish off the night for me. But hopefully, I should be okay. And got some dedications as well, and I'll wait for a wee while to get more people. Jean Labus, nice to see you. Jean, Joey McCaskey, Linda McKenzie, Fiona Thompson, hello. Megan McKenzie, watching in Inverness. It's great to see you all joining us once again. I know that things have eased off a bit with COVID, and maybe our numbers won't be as much as they were way back. But, however, the main aim of these Kayleys, for me anyway, is those that are in the home are not able to go out, and hope that it'll lift spirits. Kathy MacDonald, Alison MacLeod, Birmingham, hi Alistair, Anne Helstrup, Joan MacLeod, all the old faithfuls. John Gox, hi Gox, how you doing? Old Meldrum, Mary McFarlane, listening in Glasgow. So we've got a few dedications, and obviously this evening as well we'll have a few sort of down memory lane type thing. We've had a few losses, some legends have gone. Tom T. Hall, the songwriter, one of my own favourites, Storyteller he was called. So hopefully if things go well, might be able to do a couple of his songs. Don Everly, so we'll do an Everly Brothers song, and of course Charlie Watts, the Rolling Stones, so do a Rolling Stones song as well. Hi Archie and Maisie, Kate, they're watching. Nice to see you all. I think you're probably watching it because your dad's on tonight. You think? Brian Tuller. Okay then. So let's get going. And I've got a full program. Some requests. So I'm going to start off with a dedication that was sent in to me just a wee while ago. And just in case I forget, and it's from Murdo MacDonald, Murdo Becky and Lally from down in back, and he sent me a dedication to Don and Kate Mackenzie, who got married today. And that's the son of Ian Mackenzie and Shodak, the late Ian Mackenzie and Shodak, who we know very well. So I'm sure they won't be watching this, but Murdo wants to wish them all the best. That's Don and Kate Mackenzie, married today. And also Mary Ann MacLeod and Danny were the ones that got in touch with me asking me about the Tom T. Hall thing. So before I forget. Anyway, sometimes what happens is, in the midst of everything, a song comes into your head, and you just can't shake it, and you don't know where it's come from. So this song is a song that just came to my head, and I don't know who it'll be for, but it'll be for someone. And if it's not for someone, let it be for me to you, to all you people here tonight. I only know I'm lonely. I don't know what to do, I feel so helpless. And since you've been away, I cry both night and day. Oh, I don't know why I love you, but I do. My days have been so lonely, all my nights have been so blue. I don't know how I manage, but I do. Each night I sit alone and tell myself that I will fall in love with someone else. I guess I'm wasting time, but I've got to clear my mind. I don't know why I love you, but I do. I don't know why I love you, but I do. That was by Clarence Frogman. I thought it was I'm sure Fats Domino did it, but it was Clarence Frogman that did one. So who can remember that one? That's an old one, I think. Early 60s. Early 60s, yeah. So that's us, got the first one out of the way, and I'm still I'm still managing reasonably well, I think. Okay then, now let's do a Gaelic song, and I'm hoping that two people will be watching here tonight, and the first person that I'm hoping will be here tonight is my old boss, Alma Jameson. She was the best boss that I ever had, way back in the day when I started teaching around the primary school. She was my boss. And I also want to remember Duncan Norman MacLeod. Duncan Norman, because as soon as I tell you what this song is, it's going to bring back memories. And the song is Ben Hot and Ruag. So when I first of all started, this is early 90s, 1991. And the first year that I was doing my job, we had to take the choirs. And I was taking a choir down in Point, and I was also taking a choir in Sandwich School. And Duncan Norman, of course, being the practical joker that he was, I was also taking a choir from there. So anyway, I arrived down in Babel School, and during the break, the secretary came in and gave me a letter. And the letter, I opened the letter, and the letter was from a Nian McSween 59 Upper Babel. And I thought, my first reaction was, I started reading the letter, and the letter basically was saying, I've just been told the song that the school choir is going to do, and I've been sailing for 30 years before the mast, and I've never heard language like it. It talks about a lady that has no clothes, and if you know the Gaelic, gun gund, gun chlog, gun vleid, gun vlog, ach anung hot and ruag. So basically, if you took one interpretation of it, it was that she was running around with nothing on apart from a coat. So he then said in his letter that he wanted us to withdraw the choir from the competition. My immediate reaction was, this is Duncan Norman's game. But then, of course, the other guys that were there, Callum MacLean and the other guys were in on the thing, and they go, what's that letter from Callum? And I said, oh, it's from an Ian McSween. Oh, not that Ian McSween, they said. He's always causing problems in this school. What's he on about now? So then I thought, oh, maybe this is maybe this is quite genuine. And so my reaction really, Ian McKinnon, who was the acting head teacher in the school, comes in, and he was in on it, of course. Everyone was in on it, and he said, oh, what on earth made you pick that song anyway? I mean, the words in that song, children shouldn't be singing words like that. And my reaction was, it was Alma Jameson that picked that song for me. So poor Alma, it was Alma's fault. But of course, the story basically on that particular song is nothing to do with that. It's talking with an otter. That's what he's talking about. So, to cut a long story short, so I don't know if you're there, Duncan Norman, but there's loads of other stories that we could tell about our antics when we were going around the schools. Maybe another time I will tell the story about what he did to Peggy Lockie and Carloway about a song that was called Bo Born and Mally, which was the practice way back. It's a song that was written about how they ended up killing a cow, and then a letter came at Christmas from the council quoting the 1976 Bovine Act from Europe. And so anyway, that's another story, and maybe I'll do that song at another date. But anyway, this is the Ben Houghton Road. So that one's for you, Duncan Norman. I'm seeing Ian MacDonald is saying, tell Peggy Lockie's story about Bo Born and Mally. Ian, I tell you what, I'll have to really learn how to do that song because I've forgotten all about it, but that's another great story, that, and another trick from Duncan Norman. Mrs. Gunn, who was the head teacher in the school, and the letter came from the council, and Flossie was in on it as well. There was loads of people on it. The letter was sent from the council, and it arrived the day we were rehearsing for the Christmas concert. And the letter was quoting the European Bovine Act of 1986 or something like that. Oh man, I need to check that out. There's loads of other stories. It was great fun. I loved going around the schools way back then. It was such great fun, and there were such great teachers, and we used to be able to have some great laughs there. Yeah. See, Dina's there as well, Dina Murray. Dina will remember these days. And yeah, they were really, really good. Okay then, now let me do an old song by Elvis this time. Now, I don't know if Mary Crook is with us tonight, but if she is, this one's for you, Mary. I've got a wee food thing magic here. Trying to, I don't know if I'll end up using it. Every time I look down, I get. Right, you know this one. A very old friend came by today, and he was telling everyone in town of the love that he had found, and released the name of his latest flame. He talked and talked, and I heard him say that she had the longest, blackest hair, prettiest green eyes anywhere, and released the name of his latest flame. Oh, and smiled and tears inside were running. I wished him luck, and then he said goodbye. Thought and gone, those words keep returning. What else was there for me to do than cry? Do you believe that yesterday this girl was in my arms and swore to me she'd be mine eternally, and released the name of his latest flame? Though a smile with tears inside were burning, I wished him luck, and then he said goodbye. He was gone, but his words kept returning. What there was there for me to do but cry? Do you believe that yesterday this girl was in my arms and swore to me she'd be mine eternally, and released the name of his latest flame, and released the name of his latest flame. Good, Anne. Marie is not with us tonight, but she'll be delighted to hear you played a song for her. She's out for dinner. Oh, are you sisters, Anna? I didn't realise that. Yeah, she's one of the regulars here. And, you know, when I was coming up to this song, I actually thought for years that song was Anne Marie. But it's not Anne Marie, it's Aunt Marie. So Marie is the name of Anne Marie and Marie. Okay then, now see how we're getting on. Oh, I'm struggling here at the moment with my dizziness. Okay, a Gaelic song now. Kayora, that's quite a favourite, isn't it? So, how are we all doing tonight? So, yeah, we've got about 300 people in. Lovely, lovely. 300 of the regulars, I bet, that have been with us from day one. Things are moving now and people are able to go out and socialise a bit more. So, the numbers probably won't be so much. But I think myself and Willie were wanting to keep the Cayleys going as much as we can anyway. And especially for those of you who are housebound. And I was just thinking actually today that what I think I might do on my next Cayley is, if you all put in requests, whether it's a Gaelic song or an English song, put in requests between now and the next time I'm on, and I'll do a night of just requests. I think I would quite like to do that. And the other thing I was thinking about is I might also maybe do an impromptu one during the week sometime, maybe just a 45-minute one. And we were doing these for the homes, myself, Costello and Willie, for quite a while. So that's it. And oh, by the way, thanks so much for all you guys that are putting in. Just to let you know, this is what I actually ended up buying with it, with the wee tips that was given, and I'm noticing some people are actually putting them in tonight. So don't anyone feel as if they need to put a tip in, but just wanted to let you know that that's what I got with the money for the tips. So thanks so much for those that feel they want to give a donation. That's really very kind of you. Okay then, so I'm starting to. I had planned to maybe do another couple of songs. I'm going to do one more song just now, and then maybe just hand over to Do. Who remembers this song? I remember it from Val Donegan Day. You'll know it straight away. Okay. What tall what my mama told me when I was about knee high. She said, son, be a proud man and hold your head up high. Walk tall, walk straight and look the world right in the eye. I started going places where the youngsters shouldn't go. I got to know the kind of girls who better not to know. I fell in with a bad crowd and laughed and drank with them. Through the laughter, mama's words would echo now and then. Walk tall, walk straight and look the world right in the eye. Well, that's what my mama told me when I was about knee high. She said, son, be a proud man and hold your head up high. Walk tall, walk straight and look the world right in the eye. I got in trouble with the law and I'm in prison now. Through this prison bars I see things so much different now. I've got one more left to serve and when my time's done, I'll walk tall and straight and make my brother call me son. Walk tall, walk straight and look the world right in the eye. That's what my mama told me when I was about knee high. She said, son, be a proud man and hold your head up high. Walk tall, walk straight and look the world right in the eye. Walk tall, walk straight and look the world right in the eye. Yeah, we remember that by Val Doonigan. Who can remember the Val Doonigan show? Essential television on a Saturday night. He was such a relaxed guy with the old different cardigan on each week, if I remember right. Val Doonigan, and that's a song that I remember. And he had a big hit with that. So, what are we doing? Marianne, Mary Kruger. Oh, it's Mary come. Oh, you missed it, Mary. You missed it. You missed the dedication. I'm not going to say it a second time. You'll have to look back on it. Huh? All right. Now then. Okay. I get accused sometimes, like a lot of people from Lewis, of doing songs that are Lewis songs and we forget about the people down south. So tonight I'm going to end up maybe doing a couple of songs from the Southern Isles. And this is a song that I really, really like. The Moldonic did it. I think it's an Eriskay song, isn't it? Nishke Beher. That's a lovely song, that. I really like that song. I really, really like that song. Now then, how are we doing? How many songs have I gone through? Okay, right, 6 or 7 songs so far. Donny Paddy enjoying selection of songs from Steinish. Good, Donny. Kath Owens, Jane Bissek. It's the regulars and having the wee conversation with each other. That's really, really good. Okay then, as promised, let me do the first song by the late great Tom T. Hall. Later on, I'm going to do probably one of my, if I was going to say songs in my top 10 all-time songs, I'm going to do that song later on, if I can manage. Old Dogs and Children and Watermelon Wine. It's an absolute classic song. But he wrote such great songs, Tom T. Wasn't called the Storyteller for nothing. So this is a song called That's How I Got to Memphis. So, oh, if you love somebody enough, you'll follow wherever they go. That's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis. Oh, if you love somebody enough, oh, you go where your heart wants to go. That's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis. I know if you'd see her, you'd tell me, 'cause you are my friend. Oh, I've got to find her and find out the trouble she's in. And if you tell me she's not here, you can follow the trail of my tears. That's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis. She get mad and she used to say, let you come back to Memphis someday. That's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis. Oh, I haven't eaten a bite or slept for 3 days and nights. That's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis. Oh, I've got to find her and tell her that I love her so. Oh, I never rest until when she had to go. And so thank you for your precious time. Forgive me if I start to cry. That's how I got to Memphis. 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 Love that song. A great song. It's one of my own favourites. Bobby Bear did the definitive version of that song, I think. And there's a couple of new guys. I'm trying to think what the name of the guy that did a recent version of that. Something Crockett.
Charlie Crockett.
Charlie Crockett. He did a really good version of that. But Tom T was an amazing songwriter. I mean, maybe his voice wasn't one of the top voices, but he still had a great voice. But he sure knew how to write a great song. Okay then, now before Doe comes on, I'm going to do one more song. I managed to reach this far. And let's do a Gaelic song. Yeah. Another Cayley classic. Well, let me try and take it a wee bit higher. I think that was a wee bit low. Good That's a good song. Brings back memories of doing that song with Roddy Buchanan, the late great Roddy, when we played together in the Caberfew. Who remembers these days? Yeah, that was a favourite. That was a really good song, that, a great Ceilidh song. Right then, I'm now going to hand over to my son, Donald Doe, who's going to do... I think he's going to end up tackling...
Are we going to do Walk Alive?
Yeah, we're going to now this could really be a train crash, though, I think.
Yeah.
Let me
You're in
split
your
it.
comfort zone now.
Yeah.
No guitar.
Yeah, so Mark Knopfler song.
Yeah, great song. One of my favourite songs.
Let me bring this over and see if I can. Oh, I'm not so sure if that was such a good idea.
Okay.
Okay then, though.
Alright.
1.
Here comes Johnny singing oldies, goldies, Babalula, baby, what I say. Here comes Johnny singing, I got a woman down in town trying to make it pay. He got the action, he got the motion, yeah, the boy can play. Dedication, devotion, and turning on the night time into the day. He do the song about the sweet love of woman, he do the song about the night, he do the walk. You do the walk of life, yeah, you do the walk of life. Here comes Johnny gonna tell you a story, hand me down my walking shoes. Here comes Johnny with the power and the glory, backbeat, talking blues. He got the action, he got the motion, yeah, the boy can play. Dedication, devotion, and turning on the night time into the day. He do the song about the sweet love of woman, he do the song about the night, he do the walk, he do the walk of life, he do the walk of life. Here comes Johnny singing oldies, goldies, you probably know maybe what I say. Here comes Johnny singing, I got a woman down in the town trying to make it pay. He got the action, he got the motion, yeah, the boy can play. Dedication, devotion, and turning on the night time into the day. And after all the violence and double talk, it's just a song about the trouble in the strife. He do the walk, he do the walk of life, yeah, do the walk of life.
I think we just about got away with that.
Did we get away with it? Something different?
What do you think? I think maybe the next
Yeah.
time we'll get it. But that's what the live Ceilidhs are all about.
That's it.
Yeah, so Doe's going to carry on now and do
What now? Like,
down a music row.
yeah, okay. Right, okay. So, yeah, George Strait, Alan Jackson.
Doe's a big fan of the old country. So this is a song. Doe going to tell you all about this song himself.
Yeah, so it's basically a song about by George Strait and Alan Jackson, about how they're kind of the traditional country guys. They don't like the kind of the modern country, you know, your Luke Combs type guys. So it's just a great song. So here we go. It's called Murder on Music Row. Somebody saw him running from 16th Avenue. They never found the fingerprint or the weapon that was used. Someone killed country music, cut out his heart and soul. They got away with murder down on Music Road. The almighty dollar and the lust for worldwide fame slowly killed tradition. That someone should hang. They all say not guilty, but the evidence will show that murder was committed down on Music Road. For the steel guitars no longer cry, and fiddles barely play, but drums and rock and roll guitars get mixed up in your face. Old Hank, he wouldn't have a chance on today's radio, since they committed murder down on Music Road. They thought no one would miss it once it was dead and gone. They said no one would buy them old, naked, cheating songs. There ain't no justice in it, and the hard facts are cold. Murder's being committed down on Music Road. Oh, the steel guitars no longer cry, and you can't hear fiddles play, with drums and rock and roll guitars are mixed up in your face. Why, the hag, he wouldn't have a chance on today's radio, since they committed murder down on Music Road. Why, they even tell the possum to back up and go back home. There's been an awful murder down on Music Road.
Well done, Doe. Well done. That's good. That's one for the old trad guys.
Yeah.
Those are much
Good
better.
song, good song.
That great. I think country is what you like, doesn't it? You really
Yeah.
like country music.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a big country guy. Okay. So we'll be back and do some more songs later on. So let me just do another couple. In fact, I'm just trying to see. Not going to get through all these songs tonight anyway. Someone asked a request for Loch Leven. So let's do it. Young Cleveland. Yeah, nice song that, isn't it? Really nice. Forgot to ask earlier on, how's the sound tonight? I should have asked earlier on, because we're enjoying it here. It sounds fine here, but it might not be fine when you are. Let us know what the sound is like. Okay, now. Next song I'm going to do was done. The version that I can remember of this song was done by Ringo Starr, but I think originally it was done by Buck Owens. Okay, it's called Act Naturally. They're gonna put me in the movies. Oh, they're gonna make a big star out of me. We'll make a film about a man that's sad and lonely. Oh, and all I gotta do is act naturally. Well, I bet you I'm gonna be a big star. Might win an Oscar, you can never tell. Oh, the movie's gonna make me a big star. 'Cause I can play the part so well. Well, I hope you'll come and see me in the movies. Oh, and I know that you will plainly see. Oh, the biggest fool that ever hit the big time. All I gotta do is act naturally. Well, make a scene about a man that's sad and lonely. Oh, and begging down upon his bended knee. Oh, I'll play the part, but I won't need rehearsing. All I gotta do is act naturally. Well, I hope you'll come and see me in the movies. Then I'll know that you will plainly see. Oh, the biggest fool that ever hit the big time. And I can play the part so well. Well, I hope you'll come and see me in the movies. Then I know that you will plainly see. Oh, the biggest fool that ever hit the big time. Oh, all I gotta do is act naturally. Oh, all I gotta do is act naturally. Yeah, act naturally. Buck Owens song. Okay then. So you're saying the sound's okay. That's good. That's excellent. Okay, we also lost someone else this week. The other half of the Everly Brothers, Don Everly, and the Everly Brothers were a huge influence on me. I just loved the Everlys. So I thought of picking a song, and there's loads of songs I could have really picked to do, but I really like this song, Running in the Rain. I'll never let you see the way my broken heart is hurting me. I got my pride and I know how to hide all my sorrow and pain. I'll do my crying in the rain. If I wait for cloudy skies, you won't know the rain from the tears in my eyes. You'll never know that I still love you so, though the heartache remains. I'll do my crying in the rain. Raindrops falling from heaven could never wash away my misery. But since we're not together, I look for stormy weather to That's one of the classics. I mean, they did so many classic songs. The Everlys, yeah. Now then, I think it's time to do a Gaelic medley. Let me see where I'm at with this. I've really been much more organised in doing this, but we'll just see how it goes. I'm not really sure. I've just put a few songs together for this one. Yeah. See how we get on with it anyway. Might change it halfway through. Hey, get the hole in roiken the full. I look so I'm upset the boys. I go yell in roiken the full. And yell never for cry or for my moroya. For cry I order. Oh, stir, 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 man, man, stir. That's what you would call a wee bit of a brochan. It was a bit of a brochan. I think I was changing some of these songs as I was going along. Yeah.
That was good.
Oh yeah, but that's part of it. That's part of it. So, and we're going to get Doe back again now, and he's going to do a favourite. Willie does it. A lot of people do it, and he fancies doing it himself. Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain, Doe. That's the one that you've got next.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
I'll give it a nudge.
Okay.
There we go.
Let's split.
In the twilight glow I see blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Oh, love is like a dying ember. Only memories remain. Through the ages I'll remember blue eyes crying in the rain. Someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand again in a land that knows no parting. Oh, blue eyes crying in the rain. Oh, love is like the dying ember. Only memories remain. Through the ages I remember blue eyes crying in the rain.
That's a classic song, isn't it?
Classic.
Everyone loves that song. Okay, Doe, have another bash.
What now?
Let us
What
know.
now?
I think you're doing the running kind.
Oh yeah. So, where are we? So yeah, two Merle Haggard songs here: "Running Kind," "Lonesome Fugitive." Yeah, Merle Haggard, one of these guys that when you're growing up, it's not really too cool to listen to, but now that I'm getting a wee bit older, just realise how good he actually was. So we'll do this "Running Kind" and then into "Lonesome Fugitive." I was born a running kind, leaving always on my mind. Home was never home to me at any time. Every front door found me hoping to find the back door open. Just had to be an exit for the running kind. Within me there's a prison surrounding me alone, as real as any dungeon with its walls of stone. I know running's not the answer, Running's in my nature, part of me that keeps me moving on. I was born a running kind, leaving always on my mind. Home was never home to me at any time. Every front door found me hoping to find the back door open. There just had to be an exit for the running kind. I was born a running kind, leaving always on my mind. Home was never home to me at any time. Every front door found me hoping I'd find the back door open. There just had to be an exit for the running kind. Down every road there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. I came back in my younger days, while Mama used to pray my crop would fail. Now I'm on a fugitive with just two ways: outrun the law or spend my life in jail. Settle down, but they won't let me. A fugitive must be a rolling stone. Down every road there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. I'm lonely, but I can't afford the luxury of having the one I love to come along. She'd only slow me down, they'd catch up with me. For he who travels fastest goes alone. I'd like to settle down, but they won't let me. A fugitive must be a rolling stone. Down every road there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. I'm on the run, the highway is my home.
Good, Daw. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Now, Dawson wanted to do this song, but I persuaded him because I thought there'd be lots of people interested.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he doesn't like doing it,
No,
but he does a good job of it. Tennessee whiskey.
Yeah, every chance it could go really wrong, really wrong.
I don't think so. So you're in A, Daw.
Yeah? Yeah. What's all the head, is it?
Okay, let's see how we get on with it. Okay, 1, 2.
Used to spend my nights out in the barroom. Liquor was the only love I've known. But you rescued is Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned on your love all the time. I look for love in all the same old places. Find the bottom of the bottle's always dry. But when you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it. 'Cause there's nothing like your love to get me high. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned on your love all the time. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned on your love all the time. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey.
Good though. That was good. I stretched out.
Yeah, I got a wee bit confused halfway through that.
Now. That was fine.
Yeah.
That was good. That was good. Now let me see if I can. Let's block again. Yeah, that was excellent though. I really liked that. I think people liked that song, didn't they? Getting tangled up in here. Okay, now, right, do a Gaelic song now.
Camera down, camera.
Okay, let's see where we're at. Okay then, another well-known song. I don't think I've done this one before at wat ik een uksjer, masje wilde aanskakaj, cirka knokes klampis kian, nur vise gyan gevat, jejulam onion dod, babelan gechid morun, jeju harish lam har hom, no guelan koner, hier grok men romior, tjane drukkelet kun vrog, spien innet, og missuas, kuram smoiner ramio, shit the nights and romi trio, shit the creole, danguk mispesh, shit the nomik bek bokian, vamitian gos mikel, and jejulam nian bod, abelan guchin morun, jeju harish lam at home, no guelan koner, achian nights and romidia, eterion in a reinor, shengo fein and monion, faren yo in kyoa, and jejulam onion told, abelan guchin morun, jeju harish lam aron, no guelan koner. I think I pitched that one a wee bit low. Never mind, never mind. I think that was a C minus, probably. What do you think,
Oh,
John?
no.
Huh?
Oh, better than that.
I think we're getting on okay. I'm managing to just about survive. Pretty woozy at times here this evening, but strangely enough, the voice seems to be holding up okay. Okay then, now this is a Creedence song. Or maybe you could...
See if I can join in with something here.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before a storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, Thanks, Maggie Dan, for asking who I am. I'm as woozy as anything. I still got a wee bit of vertigo and it hits me every now and again, so I've been a wee bit sort of, I think the word is a wee bit disorientated. So anyway, I managed to I wasn't wanting to give up on the concert tonight. So like I mentioned, it'd be really good for you to put in requests of songs that you want me to do. Now, I can't promise you that I'll be able to do them, but you know, if you put in a Gaelic song with a request for someone, or even just a request, and some English, especially probably 60 songs and some Irish and maybe some country, although Doe's really the country guy and Costello, they're much more country than I am. But I'll have a bash at most of them. So it'll be really good because I'm planning on probably doing my next concert probably the first week in October. But I might sneak in another one in between, a sort of short 45-minute one, sort of now and again. Because I'm happy to end up doing this. I'm not really particularly interested in going back on the road again. I'm too old for it. But I'm happy enough to be sitting in a chair here, because what can go wrong? I can only fall off the chair. You know, whereas if I'm standing on a stage, falling, it's not so good. Anyway, so that's Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Now, as you know, I love Gaelic songs, and this is a song that I haven't done for quite a while, but I remember it being done brilliantly by the late, great Finlay MacNeil. Malachul is Beltana. Finlay MacNeil was brilliant at that song. He just had the voice for it. And it's a lovely song, isn't it? Malachul is Beltana. Okay then, now, another sad loss this week for many of us was the passing of Charlie Watts, the unique drummer with the Rolling Stones. So we couldn't let Akeli go by, knowing that I'm such a huge fan of the 60s, without a song from the Stones. And I thought I'd do a really slow one. In fact, this particular song was covered by Marianne Faithfull, although it was written by the Stones. So you'll all know this one, a slow one. It is the evening of the day. I sit and watch the children play. Smiling faces I can see, but not for me. I sit and watch as tears go by. My riches can't buy everything. I want to hear the children sing. All I hear is the sound of rain falling on the ground. I sit and watch as tears go by. It is the evening of the day. I sit and watch the children play, doing things I used to do. They think are new. I sit and watch as years go by. So that's in memory of Charlie Watts, a unique drummer. A unique drummer. Now, I think Doe's now going to do a bit something adventurous, Doe. You're going to do Fleetwood Mac song.
Yeah. Go off on a bit of a tangent and do Fleetwood Mac. So, Fleetwood Mac, Go Your Own Way. Probably my favourite Fleetwood Mac song. So, we'll give it a bash here. Loving you isn't the right thing to do. How can I ever change things that I feel? If I could, maybe I'd give you my word. Open up when you won't take it from me. You can go your own way. Go your own way. You can call it another lonely day, another lonely day. You can go your own way. Go your own way. Tell me why everything turned around. Packing up, shagging up's all you wanna do. If I could, maybe I'd give you my word. Open up, everything's waiting for you. You can go your own way. Go your own way. You can call it another
Well done.
Yeah.
Well
Something a
done.
wee bit
Well
different.
done. Well done. Yeah. That's not an easy song to do. It's a really hard song to do, in fact.
Yeah. it's
Okay,
one of my
then.
favourites.
Okay, so we're coming close to the end. I can't believe I managed to survive the night. But there's a couple more songs that I want to do. Now, someone's asked for a... You'll know this one. Oh, let's see if I can play it. A wee bit of a different treatment for that song. Oh man. Anyway, we're coming close to the end now. So I promised I would do another Tom T. Hall song. Okay, and this is probably my own favourite Tom T. Hall song, I have to say. Let me see. Okay then. Let's see how we get on with it. I won't bother with the speaking part because you really need a southern drawl for that. How old do you think I am? He said. Anyway, so I'll start from here. I was sitting in Miami pouring blending whiskey down, and this old grayback gentleman was cleaning up the lounge. There wasn't anyone around except this old man. The guy who won the bar was watching Ironside on TV. Uninvited, he sat down and opened up his mind on old dogs and children, watermelon wine. Ever had a drink of watermelon wine, he asked. He told me all about it, though I didn't answer back. Ain't but three things in this world that's worth a solitary dime, but old dogs and children, watermelon wine. He said, women think about themselves when men folk ain't around, and friends are hard to find when they discover that you're down. He said, I tried them all when I was young and in my natural prime. Now it's old dogs and children and watermelon wine. Old dogs care about you even when you make mistakes. God bless the little children while they're still too young to hate. When he moved away, I found my pen and copied down that line. Our old dogs and children, watermelon wine. I had to catch a plane up to Atlanta that same day. As I left my room, I saw him. He was picking up my change. That night I dreamed in perfect sleep, shady summertime, of old dogs and children and watermelon wine. That one's for Tom T. Okay then, couple more maybe. I promised someone I would do this. Ages since I did this Jim Reeves song. We're coming to that time in the evening where we need to finish up with a couple of slow ones. I know that they say you should never finish a concert off with slow songs, but I'm going to do it for two songs. I'm going to end up doing this song I haven't done for ages. I'm going to do a Gaelic song to finish off that I haven't really done before, but it's a really nice one. So, who remembers this one? I certainly know there's quite a few in here. Put your sweet lips a little closer to the phone. Let's pretend that we're together all alone. I'll tell the man to turn the jukebox way down low, and you can feel your friend there with you. He'll have to go. Whisper to me, tell me, do you love me true? Or is he holding you the way I do? Oh, love is blind. Make up your mind. I've got to know. Should I hang up, or will you tell him he'll have to go? You can say the words I want to hear while you're with another man. Do you want me go wrong with a wee bit of Jim Reeves. I know, very popular on the island. And I loved him. He had a great voice. So many songs we could really do. So listen, hope you enjoyed the concert tonight. I just about managed to do it. Once I stand up from this chair, I'll probably keel over. But never mind. We managed to survive the evening, myself and Doe. Thanks very much for coming along and joining me. I think at one point we might have had 400 people, which is great. And I'm more than happy to end up doing this for you, especially those who enjoy the Friday night Cayleys, and especially a walk down memory lane for all of us. So look forward to the next time that we're together, and maybe some more stories, and maybe some more stories from my teaching days. I've got a few more stories to tell about Duncan Norman yet, and another accomplice of his in the days of schools for a short period of time, but yet they did a lot of mischief together, and that was the Reverend Kenny I. MacLeod. So I don't know if Kenny I is watching tonight, but he's retired recently. So a very happy retirement to you, Kenny, and you'll have plenty of time now to do your wee tricks on various people. I know how, and yourself and Duncan Norman, better keep the two of you apart in Stornoway. So so thanks very much for joining us, and thanks once again to Doe. Let's say Doe will say tonight to you all.
Thank you. Good night, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, really enjoyed having Doe along with me this evening. I don't think I would have survived without it. Okay, this is a song that was translated by Shawnee Alec McPherson. I think it's an Irish melody, and I'm pretty sure, if I remember right, that Organic did it. So it's a slow one, a very brawn or sad song to finish the night off with, but it's a lovely song. Okay. Good night, everyone. Stay safe until we see you again. Good night, everyone. Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Ma.